Today we'll be installing a USB charger on a Honda Trail 125. Hey guys, Jake here from Curly Wolf. This is the bike I bought. We were totally planning on doing a larger reveal video for this. We had something pretty ambitious planned, but I think what I'm gonna do is just maybe like a 1,000-mile review or something versus a big reveal for the Honda Trail 125. But yeah, this is the bike. And if you saw Tyler's last video, you know that we're planning on going on a off-road motorcycle trip here, actually this week. And there's some things I wanted to do to my bike just like he did. I'm going to install a USB charger for my phone so I can use my GPS and not have my phone die. So, perfect. We're gonna install this kit. All right, so here is the instruction manual. Pretty straightforward. We're gonna remove the headlight. We're going to install the actual USB charger, and there's a quick wiring diagram. I went ahead and put my bike on its center stand just so it's a little easier to work on. I just have 2 screws to remove here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and follow the instructions step by step here, and it says to go ahead and do this here. So this literally just is a little rubber piece that pops out. Gonna put the wiring through. So it might be hard to see, but I'm essentially gonna take the end of that wire and run it through this hole right here. Perfect. So that fits in there nicely, which is good. And then it has a little plastic piece that's just gonna secure it in place. Run it up through the wire. And if I can get my hands in here, I can get that going. Fits tight. So you can see that's what it kind of looks like. USB-C, regular USB. So first step is to disconnect the headlight totally. Actually, that was a little easier than I thought. So luckily these instructions are pretty straightforward. We're going to take the male end of this kit, plug it into the female end where the headlight was plugged in. And then the female end of the kit is going to go into the male end of the headlight. And then we have these coming from the kit. Black will go into green and red will go into black. Click sound was good. Went ahead and did one of these. You literally just press it in until it kind of locks in and you can't pull it out, and then just put that rubber piece back. So essentially going to kind of force this in here. Kind of heard a click, and then this rubber piece is going to protect it. I'm sure if we did something wrong, someone will tell us. So before I hook the headlight back up to it, I wanted to double check that this is not running while my bike is off. So as you can see, it's off. It's not letting me do anything. Click the bike on, turns on, back off. So we should be good. So I know I just tested it, but I really just want to be 100% that it's fully working before I install the headlight back. Going to put it in. It's not charging. Now it's charging. Not charging. Charging. Should be good. Lastly, we're just going to take this 8-pin female adapter, plug the headlight in, and then I'm going to kind of just make sure everything's wrapped nicely. It came with some zip ties. I might use those to kind of scrunch this down, install the headlight back on. let's go ahead and flip it on, give it a shot. So headlights on, brights work, and we have power. So thanks for checking this video out. I was honestly pleasantly surprised with how easy this was to install. I was definitely a little intimidated by doing any electrical work on my bike. So I'm glad this kit was available. I don't have to have it hardwired to the battery. So I will go ahead and put a link to this specific kit down in the description for you to check out if you want it. And stay tuned for some more videos on the Honda Trail 125. Thanks, guys. Turn your bright on.